clean this off in a couple of minutes if I can. Hopefully I can. Looks like there's a little bit, tiny bit of dirt on there. Let's see. It looks to me that this diaphragm here lost a little bit of its ability to move, kind of stretch everything. It's kind of gotten a little bit stiff here, but not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and fix that right now with something. There. Put a little bit of oil in this and everything, and it'll be able to go ahead and loosen it up a little bit, so it'll be able to work better. So we'll go ahead now. Let's go ahead and put this back together. That look about right. Let me put this under a wire wheel real quick to clean it out a little bit more. Okay, so be like this. Yep. Go ahead and get those gaskets back in if possible. I think this took 4 of the bigger screws. take a look at the super small little jet on here. I'm going to show how small it is. This is a little jet here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is a jet. I like to go ahead and take off the limiter caps and stuff, because sometimes you just need to get a little bit more gas or whatever than they let you go ahead and adjust it to. So still, and others and stuff, they do this and everything, so you can only adjust it so much, and then when it goes out of limit and everything, we have to adjust it beyond what this be adjustable and everything, it won't work anymore. So people thinking, well, it looks like this thing is broken and stuff, so we'll have to get a new one. But what it is, just need to adjust it. Warborough. Okay, so this is a Warborough carburetor, and the number is, the model of this is WJ. On this needle, what I like to inspect for is to inspect if there's a point on here. Now, if the point's not on there anymore, it's a good idea to go ahead and change it out, but this looks like it's still a point. And this is made out of, this part here is made out of rubber, but the rest is made out of metal. But that part can easily get worn out, but as long as it's still pointy, that's good. Okay. Now, my favorite part is to go ahead and put on the lever, and then I got the spring right here. Put in the screw here to hold all this in. I like to make sure that it works. Okay, now. We'll put on the gasket here. Oh yeah, by the way, this is called a metering side and stuff. What this does is that it pushes in the needle in and out is to go ahead to compensate for all the gas that's being taken out of the carburetor. So this is like right here, a little bit of a little fuel tank here, and this it's little float here, you might say. And it goes ahead and goes up and down and activates the needle in here to give it more gas or not. So go ahead and put